In this video, you will learn how to invest in Amazon and earn money, open a brokerage account, choose a trusted online brokerage platform. This could be Robinhood, Fidelity, Charles Schwab. Then create an account, verify your identity, complete the verification process by providing identification and linking your bank account for funding. Deposit funds, transfer money from your bank account to your brokerage account to prepare for an investment purchase. Search for Amazon stock or AMZN. In the brokerage search bar, type AMZN to find the Amazon stock details and current price. Decide how much you want to invest. Choose whether to buy a full share or fractional shares, depending on your budget and investment goals. Place your order. Select buy and enter the amount you want to invest. Review your order and confirm to complete the transaction. Now you know how to invest in Amazon and earn money. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.